In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a sale on eBay. Whether you're contending with a change of mind, an issue with the item, or a buyer request, knowing how to efficiently navigate this process can save both time and hassle. Let's dive right in so you can handle these situations smoothly. The first thing you'll want to do is log into your eBay account. Head over to ebay.com and enter your login credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll have access to all the necessary seller tools we'll be using. Next, you'll need to visit your sold items section. To do this, click on My eBay located at the top right of your screen. From there, you'll want to select Selling and then click on Sold. This will bring up a list of all your sold listings, making it easy to locate the specific sale you want to address. Once you're in your sold items, find the particular sale you wish to cancel. Browse through the list until you locate the item. It can be helpful to have the item description or order details handy to ensure you're selecting the correct transaction. Now, it's time to request to cancel the transaction. You'll want to click on More Actions or Contact Buyer next to the order you're looking to cancel. If you see the option to cancel order, go ahead and select that. If the option isn't available, don't worry. You can still send a message to the buyer. In your message, explain the situation clearly and request their agreement to cancel the sale. Transparency can often lead to smoother resolutions, so be sure to communicate effectively with the buyer. With your request sent, you'll now need to wait for the buyer's approval. The buyer's consent is necessary for finalizing the cancellation. Once they agree, you'll be able to proceed with canceling the transaction. It's worth keeping an eye on your messages or notifications to ensure you don't miss their response. If payment has already been made, the next step is to issue a refund. It's crucial to refund the buyer promptly. You can do this through PayPal or eBay's managed payment system, depending on your transaction settings. Ensuring a swift refund process can contribute to maintaining good customer relations, even in cancellation scenarios. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the eBay sale cancellation process. Remember, clear communication with your buyer and timely actions are key to an effective resolution. We hope this guide has been helpful and that you feel more confident in managing your eBay transactions. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more eBay tips and tricks.